Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Aberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 6th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. So let's start with the VIX. The VIX came down for last Friday pretty far, but today it's coming back up also quite strongly right here. Nice green candle went to this 27.72 resistance. So it has been 5 or 6 days that we cannot break this resistance here. So we like that because we would like the VIX to come back down so that the stocks could go up. This is our main thing. VIX is coming back up. Let's go see on the 1 hour chart a little bit for the VIX also. So we opened here at the bottom, went straight up, calmed down a little bit, calmed down on the 2nd hour, but then picked back up. And we are basically in a standstill from since then. Let's go back on the daily chart here. So on the daily chart, let's look at our indicators. So we have stochastic at 89. So this is quite strong of a stochastic. So there's no indication that things are going to come down yet. We are still in this bullish channel, and once we are going to break this downward channel, then this is when we are going to know that it's not a bull trend anymore, but right now it's a nice little bull trend. Let's look at Dow Jones a little bit. So Dow Jones, look at this perfection here, still coming down on support. It has lost 31, 446 and 72. Stochastic is really low at 3. So bombs away, the market is falling. We might get stopped at some point here on this support here or on this double support here. This is where things could be headed. Yes, it's possible that we move back up a little bit for a temporary time and then fall back down. So the resistance that we need to take a look at is this one right here. So I'm going to make it purple. This is the resistance that we need to break for Dow Jones not to be in this downtrend anymore. Let's take a look at S&P 500. Same thing here, following the support quite closely. Stochastic at 4, not that much stronger. Nothing special to talk about here. This is the same thing here for Nasdaq 100. So the stock indices are going down. This is not financial advice, but if you have cash on hand, keep it in your pocket. The stock market is falling. We need to wait until it stabilizes and then shows sign to come back up for good before it makes sense to invest in the stock market. At least this is my opinion. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.